Hi, fourth graders, it's Miss Mills. I just wanted to go over this other assignment that has to do with main idea and supporting details. The title is Stirring Winds. There's only a couple of questions for you to answer, but those questions count quite a bit, so make sure that you take your time. If you need this video, make sure that you watch it in its entirety, and if you have questions, please reach out to your teacher to let us know. All right, so the title is Stirring Winds. You are going to read this passage, and I'm going to read it as well. And you're going to answer this question. Which of the following best identifies the main idea of this passage? All right, well, let's read this passage. It is stirring winds. Stirring winds. Hurricanes can be very devastating. Hurricanes are formed as warm, moist air rises off of the ocean, creating a low-pressure area. As cooler surrounding air rushes into this low-pressure area, it also heats and rises. This continuous motion of air eventually creates a circular pattern and forms a hurricane. In order to be considered a hurricane, the wind must reach a speed of 74 miles per hour and can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour. Winds this intense are strong enough to destroy a house. Flooding also occurs during hurricane events. On average, 16 inches of rainfall is recorded during the first 24 hours of a hurricane. Massive amounts of rainfall over a short period of time can cause creeks and rivers to overflow their banks, flooding many houses and roads. People along the coast may also experience storm surge. Storm surge occurs due to the cyclonic winds and low pressure of a hurricane. Storm surge can create waves up to 20 feet high, which often cause great damage when they come into contact with structures on shore. All right, let's reread the question. Which of the following best identifies the main idea of the passage? These are your choices. Hurricanes are formed as warm, moist air rises off of the ocean, creating a low-pressure area. Hurricanes can be very devastating. Winds from hurricanes can destroy a house. All right. Then it says, place a check mark beside 3 statements that support the main idea. So there are 3 of these that are correct and 2 that are incorrect. So you need to make sure that you mark the correct ones. And you're only marking the statements, 3 of them, 3 statements that support the main idea. So if it doesn't support the main idea, then don't mark it. First statement, on average, 16 inches of rainfall is recorded during the first 24 hours of a hurricane, which results in flooding. Second statement, storm surge occurs due to cyclonic winds and low pressure of a hurricane. Third statement, during a hurricane, the wind can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour. Fourth statement, the continuous motion of air eventually creates a circular pattern and forms a hurricane. Last statement, storm surge can create waves up to 20 feet high, which often cause great damage when they come into contact with houses and land. Okay, so you're going to mark 3 of those, and then you're going to complete this form by clicking Submit. All right, best of luck. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thank you very much.